Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can start Rainmeter on the startup. So what you'll need to do is pretty simple. Then just go to the Windows search and type run. Basically type right here shell and then startup. So it will look like this. I will zoom out for you and then click OK. And this should open up, as you can see, like this. And now just go again to the search and type Rainmeter, click on the open file location, and now you'll see this shortcut, so just copy it and paste into the startup right here. And basically now what you'll need to do is right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now if you go to the startup apps, you will be able to see this Rainmeter app, as you can see, and now it says that it is enabled. So that's how you start Rainmeter on startup. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.